Hello, everybody. How are y'all? My name is Shaquan Lopez, for those who don't know me. And what I do is basically teach the Forex market. Now, whenever I talk about the Forex market, people always ask, well, isn't that like the stock market? Well, yes and no. They both have charts, basically, and you can make money whether you buy or sell. Yes. However, when people think of stocks, they think of you buy a stock and you hold it and you don't sell it. The only time you sell it is when it's going down or it looks like you're about to lose money. Those people don't understand how to read the price chart. The market has to fall in order to rise again. Now, that's per the stock market. And yes, per the stock market, you do need quite a bit of money in order to actually buy and hold, unless you're doing penny stocks. Then that's a whole different process. But when it comes to stocks, you actually have to learn how to read the chart. You have to learn how to read the portfolios. You have to learn about volume. And there's so much stuff that goes into stocks. So you kind of have to stay on top of that, right? And news heavily. You have to stay on top of that. With what I do in the Forex market, we basically put two countries' currencies against one another, and we see which one is strong or weak, maybe for that time period, which means those minutes, the hours, the days, the weeks, or the months. And we buy or sell, and we can make money as quick as we want to, or hold it as investing terms and make it stay there, where we basically hold just like stocks, right? But the biggest difference is this. You don't need a lot of money to start trading the Forex market. I think that's a big misconception about the market and what people think that we do. We're not sitting at our computers 50 hours of the day. That's not what we're doing. Literally, I will sit here, analyze my charts, come back to it every 4 or 8 hours and just check on my trades. Okay, they're doing good. They're doing good. Okay, they're here. Okay, they're here. And I just monitor out throughout the day, or I just come back a few days later. I don't have to sit on my charts the whole day and literally wait for me to make money. I can make money while I'm sleeping. I can make money in a few minutes while I'm out during the day. I can make money in 15 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, and it's my money. Why? Because we can control how long we want to hold our trades. Whether we're buying or selling, we're going to make our money. And that's what I want to teach you all. I have a very simple method in how I trade and how I train my students. It's not overcomplicated. Literally, I teach you how to analyze the charts, how to mark your charts, where to look for trades, these key levels that you actually need in order to be successful. Make everything not complicated for you all. It's a very simple method in how we look at the market. And through the course, I literally take you from step A if you're a new trader, meaning you never looked at a price chart before, you've never been on a price chart before. I show you how to set everything up to where you're not fishing through our site or fishing through the site where we have you analyze on. And the same site that you analyze on, you'll actually be trading from. So you don't need 50,000 things on your computer, or you don't need to go through 50,000 websites just to set everything up. Everything is already done for you. So if you'd like to learn, I'd be willing to help you. And the beautiful thing about this system is this. You can literally start with less than $50. That's it. And you can grow it from there. Do what the banks won't do for you. The banks will say, hey, we'll give you this interest-bearing checking or savings. Literally, you're making pennies every other month. With the system and what we teach you, you can double that in a month. Heck, maybe a week. It just depends on how good, not how good you are, basically, but it just depends on how you receive the knowledge and basically what you do with that knowledge and how committed you are. If you're committed to changing your life, if you're committed to wanting to make supplemental income, if you're committed to wanting to make this your full-time job, have something to pass down to your children, your children's children, have something to send to your friends, your family who's in need, and you really want to help, and you really want to help them by helping you first. Get involved. This can be a group effort, or this can be a lone effort. Go ahead, click the link below, www.dieselfx.com. Literally, go pick a package that suits your needs. We have different packages. I can come to you. You can come to me. We can do this online, or you just purchase the course content. There's always additional training. You're never without, and I am always here 24/7 for you. So go ahead, click the link below. You won't regret it.